Okay, lifter installation time and rocker arm adjustment. So I've went ahead and lubed the lifters up. I've went ahead and rotated the engine. And when I did this, this is my last cylinder to do. But you can do it a couple different ways. You can do a quarter of a turn off of one and do the firing order. This one I got a little bit off on, so I rotate it until you put your finger over the spark plug and you can feel the compression coming up. As soon as it pops off, then that's top dead center. And that's where there aren't any, the lobes are down, so that's where you should be adjusting these. Again, these are non-adjustable. Now they say non-adjustable. If you have to, there are shims that you can put underneath here. You know, if they were too much pressure. Now, if they're not enough pressure, I'm not sure, you might have to get longer push rods. So, what I did on the first ones was I run it down till there's no lash. So you keep turning the push rod here. Okay, no lash, no lash. Now, on all these with studs, and when they're adjustable, it's 3/4 of a turn. So that's what I was doing. Can I show you here? So, and that gets tight right at 3/4. So that's good. Check this one. So that's about 7/8 there. Now another way to do it is to mark the push rod when it's compressed, so we're all the way down. You take the flat spot here, make sure you have the same, I have it tight. And I put a mark and show up. Okay, there we go. Lift this off. So it's completely free. Get real good. One more time. Okay, so 2 lines. Okay, as close as I can get with 2 lines, of course. It's about 55 thousandths. And it says anything from 20 to 80 thousandths. 20 to 80 thousandths. So that's a new one for me. I never been around non-adjustable ones, but thank goodness everything's good on these. So now I can reinstall this and just tighten it down. And then I'll come along and torque all these to 22 foot-pounds. Okay, we're all adjusted.